This is a tutorial to show you how to add your signature to your email. This is very useful, especially if you want to add your DonorsChoose account. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Outlook. If you do not have your Outlook on your desktop, I do recommend that you go to your Office Apps folder, which is here, and drag your Outlook out to your desktop. So once you open Outlook, you will go over here to File. Click on File. Once you are on File, you will see where it says Options. Excuse me, right here. Options. Click on Options. Once Options come up, you're going to click here on Mail. Once you click on Mail, you will see a box here that says Signatures. Click on the Signatures box, and here you will see where you can, if you have not already added your regular signature, you want to go ahead and hit New and add your regular signature. Just type in your name, whatever your name is. Click OK, and highlight that, add it in. And once you do that, you will be able to come in and add in your DonorsChoose. And this is what I hit. Please check out my project, and your link to your project, just add it there. Hit OK. If you want a stationery, just like on my email, I have the handprints on all my emails. So if you want stationery, then you would go to stationery and fonts, and then you would go to email stationery, and find which stationery that, personal stationery, and find your stationery that you would like to use right here where it says themes. And that's my handprints themes, and they have a whole bunch of things to choose from. So if you have any further questions, feel free to email me. I hope that this tutorial is helpful, and that when I see your email next time, you will have your signature and anything else that you want to convey to your readers. Have a great day.